going on a little road trip. The only time that the two of us have been alone together the past 2.5 years was about 6 months ago when we went out for Carl's birthday. Ooh, but also now that I'm thinking about it, we were also alone when we were at the hospital to have Grayson. But I was like 7 centimeters dilated with no epidural. That was not the finest time together. A couple of our friends are getting married this weekend, so we're currently heading out of town. We got the rehearsal tonight, wedding tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun weekend. We got about 2.5 hours of driving, so we're doing some nails, because look at this. Look at this. I felt like this was a safe bet, you know? It's neutral. It's neutral, not too long. Take it easy, sir. I'm at the nail salon. Oh, I can already tell. Those are pretty. I think that looks pretty good. Are we there yet? I'm getting car sick, so we had to stop at a Panera in like Boston. I don't even know where we are. The door's over here.
Okay. Ooh. Feels weird, it's just me and you.
Back to the Tahoe. No more being passenger princess. I am driving the rest of the way. If I have to drive through Boston rush hour traffic, then so be it. Are you a bottom bagel or top bagel person?
No. Top has all the flavor, right?
Okay. I can't wait to get back on my sourdough game. I am normally a bottom bagel type of girl. I don't like the tops of bagels. However, the only exception is this very bagel from Panera, because everybody knows that the party of the cinnamon crunch bagel is the top. We have made it to the beautiful state of New Hampshire. However, I forgot body wash and face wash, snacks, and we also forgot a wedding card, so you know we're going there next. All right, first things first, anything but that one right there.
Why not that one?
That's a favorite. Some face wash. Yeah. This looks like a fun aisle. Are there any specific snacks that you would like, sir?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, I've never seen sweet Hawaiian. You just said to me, get something you know you like.
Get something you know you'll eat.
I need to try it to know if I like it, all right? I have something salty. I need something sweet now, all right? Like Oreos thing?
No.
Why not?
I have no self-control.
Oh, I mean, you can't go wrong.
Okay, this is what we should get.
Those are really good, but I'll eat the whole package. I can't be trusted.
It's no different than Oreos.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no. Those are the mint ones. Those are like Girl Scout cookies.
Look.
Those are really good, too. Wait, can we get both?
No.
You want to get those? Yep. All right, coconut dreams. He thought we were leaving. All right, we've got some seltzer. What is that? Okay, this is the aisle we need for me. What'd you say we needed, hon?
Some water.
For the record, before we left the house, I said, hey, hon, why don't you get a case of water from the garage and put it in the car? And he was like, no, we're good. We started this tradition, like, I don't know, 8 weddings ago, where we just find the funniest card in the card store. It doesn't have to be a wedding card. And that's what we use as our wedding gift card. 3, 2, 1. I'll find a card and I'll find one. What about this one? Is that the one?
Do we have a pen?
Maybe we can find one on the way out. Imagine we give them this tiny card. Do I need another tumbler?
No.
Okay. Oh, it's like they're following me. Wait. Just the two of us. Oh. We just picked up Carl's tux and got to the hotel. We're gonna go ahead and check in and get ready. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Friday. Bye. Honey, did you enjoy spending time with me?
I always do.